All right. So welcome everyone to this live session here with your host Trade FX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the indices in the Forex market. So US 30, S&P 500, and Nasdaq, and Euro USD and Euro GBP. So today basically is the last live session here for a while. I'll be focusing on doing some videos here on my YouTube channel. Uh, so I'm still gonna have access to me in regards to the Discord group. I will still post some COT analysis here and sending basically results here in regards to any setups here that came in with EMXAI. So if it's the first time being on my live, it's been a few months here that I'm doing live here on YouTube, and I'm showing you exactly the indicator here that is called EMXAI. This is my own customized indicator here. Basically, it's a trend indicator here that gives you some good info here on where the market is going and some setups here at the same time. So, for example, here we have US 30. So we had the sell. So basically a downtrend here at yesterday's London Open. So we're looking bearish here. Let me go on the 15. It's gonna change, and I'm gonna make sure that we have the right settings here for the indicator. So this is basically the indicator that you're gonna have if you get the indicator here. That's perfect. Everything is good on that. So so we were bearish here since yesterday, New York. Okay. If you remember, if you go back on yesterday's live, we were here, and then we had a switch red, basically at 9:39 at 9:45. We started to go bearish here on US 30. So basically, we're only looking for sells, and as you can see, the market is trending down. And if you see SRs here, this is telling you that those are basically, I would consider as pivot points here in the market. So if let's say you missed that move, to give you some indication that you're able to get in on those type of moves here. And if you're holding on to trades, it's better to keep those trades open. And and if you're waiting for the sell and buy setups here, those are the buy and sell setups that you're going to receive. So basically at 9:30, so at market open, we had a sell signal that came in, and this is where we're at right now. Okay. So if it's red, that means that it's going down. If it's blue, that means it's going up. And like I said, you're going to receive the notification here before the start of the trend to giving you the indication here that the trend is going up. So that means that, for example, if you were taking that trade on Monday, so Monday we were bullish and then started to go down on Thursday. So from Monday until yesterday, it was a buy setup here all around. Okay, so that's pretty awesome here. Perfect. So let's see. I'm just gonna go on Discord. Hey Leon. Good. I'm good, and you? Okay, that's good. Yesterday, I took right after the live, I took some sales on Euro USD and GP USD. So basically, I start. If you look here, we had on. So I got in like around here at around 9:45, 10. Got in, took a sell because it was going down here, and same thing for GU. Let me go. GU was I think it just started to go. Yeah, exactly. That's where I got in here, right here. So I took the sell. No, no, no. That was manual trading. So yeah, because if you remember, I told you that you're able to take a trade off of the switches too. So not only the buy and sells, but the switches is good indication of taking a trade. And as you could see, it never came back down. So basically, I got out. Basically, that line here that you're seeing here, that's when I got out. That's that. Yeah. No, but the only reason why I took the trade because this is the GU and EU was not on my list for this week. But the only reason why I took the trade is because of the news. The news was positive for the US, so I was expecting to have the Euro USD and GP USD going down. So we had the indication that was going down on Euro USD since London and before London. That was before London, and you was right at New York. So New York Open. So that's why I took the trade. Yeah, And I didn't look at the 1 hour. Like you just told me that there was a setup on 1 hour, but I was only looking at the 15 minute to take the position. So yeah, it's with experience, you know exactly what's going on. So that's why I wasn't afraid of taking that trade, because I knew that it would be a good winner. So basically, I think I did what 1%, 1% in total. So, but that's manual trading. So yeah, yeah. Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. Yeah, yeah. That's what you have to. I took AUD JPY. 2 seconds. I was gonna go back to it. AUD. Just gonna close that. AUD JPY. And it was. Let's see. I think it took. Did it took a? It took a. It took a buy. Was it a buy? Give me 2 seconds. Choo-choo-choo-choo. Dun-dun-dun. It took. Oh no, it's NZDs, Euro NZD. Sorry about that. So it's Euro NZD, and it was a buy. So it took that buy here. So that was the trade. And after that there was odd JPY, but it did break even. So it did 0.1%. I think it's gonna lose GB Swiss. Yeah, what did you say? You could make the calculation. You could make the calculation by itself, but I put a fixed lot size of 2 lots per trade. Yeah. Overall, yeah, we had a few losses. I think two, three or four. But even the like the wins, I didn't put a hard TP. So if I had put a hard TP, because I'm still looking at the best way to get out of the trades, it would made more profit overall, because the like the this trade here, it would still be open, but I think it closed. When did it close? Let me check. It closed 535. Yeah, won't be long. I just have to zoom in 315 and 335. Yeah, the trailing. Yeah, but the trailing is pretty tight. But if you didn't have any trailing, the trade will still be open right now. It's fixed. Better is fixed TP, because this is trading off of the lower time frame. It's not a higher time frame setup. But if you're trading it manually, you would be still in that trade. You just have to monitor it. But that's pretty much it. Yeah. Yeah, it was bearish since yesterday. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, yeah. I told you to put it at 1 hour, because you're not swinging. You're not doing a swing trade, Leon. You're intraday trading, right? So you have to put it at 1 hour. Change everything to 1 hour. It will be easier for you. Yes. Focus on a few only. Ay, oy. Yeah, you had basically you had two cell setups here, even since Asian. One, two, three. Oh, four. Sorry. Yeah, four. Sorry about that. That was the wrong one. Yeah. But it's simple, you just have to look at the big movers, and you look at the one that has the biggest swing compared to last week. So you had basically you would have focus on CAD, yen, and British pound. Yeah, so you had euro yen this week. So you could put euro yen. So if you only because you just have to need you don't need to look at the the weekly top pairs that I put. You don't need just to focus on those. You could use only the big movers and focus on the currency that has a big mover in it. So if you have euro yen that you're trading most of the time, you have euro and yen that is moving this week. So you know that this pair will be moving. So if it's yen, if it's CAD, you do that way. Do it that way because if it's only you only focusing on those pairs that I'm putting on the Discord, you have other pairs that you could put. And I'm not gonna put all of the pairs because it makes no sense to have all of the pairs in one section. So Yeah, but what is the pair that you like to trade? What is the pairs? What currency pair do you like to trade? Okay. No, what is no, Leon, what is the best, what is the pair that you like? Forget about COT. What pairs do you like? You have you like Euro yen, right? Okay. So what are the pairs that you like? Okay, so you have Euro JPY and you have Euro Swiss. What else? GBP Aussie. Okay. So you have three pairs right there. Do you have another pair? NZD CAD. So you have four pairs. Okay. So that those are the four pairs that you like to trade. Okay. For so that means so write down those four pairs. Put, okay. Put them in your watch list right here, like this. Put them in your watch list. Okay. So from now on, you only focus on those four pairs. Okay. So though I don't want to see you trading any other pairs than those four. But remember, Leon, the move in yen pairs compared to cat is not the same. So the calculations are not the same than cat. So you may have the same, like if you look at the actual range, it could be the same range, but the pip count is not the same. So you could have double the amount of pips in yen compared to the CAD. Same thing if you're trading a British pound compared to the euro, it's not going to be the same. So you cannot focus on the actual pip amount because it's not the same calculation. Yeah, that's what you need to focus on. Like I do not look at the calculation of the pips, like how many pips I'm expecting to get or whatnot. No, I'm just want to trade the trend and I'm following the trend. If you follow the trend, that's where you're gonna make profit. That's the only thing that you need to focus on. But the first thing that you need to do is really to focus on four pairs, like we talked about. So the four pairs that we talked about, that you told me that you like, those will be the four pairs that you have to focus on for the year. Focus on those four pairs for the year. Not don't look at other things than those four pairs because this is where you're gonna get the confusion. Yeah, 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 if you have any question, just send me a voice message on the Telegram, and and that's pretty much it. No problem. So just yeah, we're still looking at the best OPC to purchase. We're gonna purchase it next week, I think. I'm just waiting for Gina to confirm that for me. But yeah, and yeah, and we'll have to get some. Yeah, exactly. So Leon, just focus on four pairs. Yeah, just focus on your four pairs, and just send me the results off of those four pairs only. Yeah, perfect. All right, perfect. Yeah, have a great weekend. Bye bye. All right, guys. So thank you for being on this live here. So, like I said, I will be doing some live, not live, but the some videos on YouTube. So you're gonna see a lot of setups and information here. I'm gonna drop on YouTube and show you some setups here in regards to EMXAI. And like I said, if you want to have access to the indicator, make sure to send me to fill out the form here on my YouTube channel, and we'll contact you as soon as possible here to see exactly if it's a good fit on getting access to the indicator. The indicator is not cheap, and only a select few will have access to it. And after that, I'm going to close out the Discord and only focus on those people that are motivated here to change their uh, their outcome here in life and help them grow in regards to trading. Could be forex, crypto, indices, metal, commodities, whatever. Everything will work with EMX AI. So with that being said, I wish you a wonderful day, a happy weekend, and we'll be on YouTube on the next video here. So just watch out for the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And that's pretty much it here, guys. So hope you have a great day and have a great weekend. Peace.